Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a stunning black moody tone color grade in Photoshop. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this technique will give your photos a dramatic and professional look. Let's dive in. Finally, make any last tweaks to the exposure, contrast, and levels to ensure everything looks perfect. And there you have it, a beautiful black moody tone color grade in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Photoshop tips and tricks. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific tutorial you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.